the channel. If you're new here, I'm Maru, lifestyle blogger and content creator. And here on the channel, I share all things home decor, beauty, fashion, and so much more. Today, don't judge me, I just got back from the gym. And I know I should not have went in with this hair, but I had some stuff that I was doing this morning and decided to just keep her going. Anyway, I'm going to shampoo and condition and prep her for the week. But right now, today, we are doing refrigerator clean out. I did grocery shop and stock my fridge, but I just didn't have the time last week to organize the fridge. So now that some things are used and the refrigerator is not as stocked, I'm gonna go ahead and do a clean out, organizing it, and some meal prep, but not the traditional way. And of course, including you as I'm making and prepping my dishes. All right, I'm about to go ahead, hit the shower, get changed up, and then we'll get started.
Hey, Daddy.
This is not Food Network. Just pour the thing in. You see what happens when you try to do too much? Okay, let's try this again.